Hello guys, so today I will be explaining the concept of PubSub, publisher and subscriber. Now consider a scenario. Suppose I have this XML message. Now my requirement is that I want to put this message on two different queues, right? Through an application, I want to put this message on two different queues. How I can do it? Either I can use two MQ output nodes or I can use single MQ output node, and through eSQL code by putting the queue name in local environment, I can do it. Okay. And how I can send to different queues using local environment, I had already explained in my interview series video number 5. Right, link is also present in description. You can go back and watch this. Now, so these are the ways that I can put this message on two different queues. Now suppose I have a requirement that I am required to put this message on 100 queues or maybe more than that. Then I cannot use 100 MQ outputs, or it's not a good idea to use eSQL code for that. Okay, so for this, publisher and subscriber concept comes in picture. Okay, so what is this publisher and subscriber? In IIB, in IIB, to achieve this, we create a topic, right? And we create subscriptions, right? Suppose there is a topic T1 and I have created some subscriptions like S1, S2, S3 till 100, right? I had uh, created 100 subscriptions. Now all these 100 subscriptions will subscribe to this topic and they can have this message. Okay, this message will be published to this topic only. Okay, this message will be published to T1, and the subscribers who are subscribing to this T1 can have this message. Okay, so this is the concept of publishing and subscribing. So now we are going to see a we are quickly going to see a practical example. So I am not taking an example of 100 subscriptions because it will take time. So I am taking example of 3 subscriptions only. So for 3 subscriptions, I have created 3 queues. Okay, all the subscription will have a subscriber queue on which this message will be published. This message will be published. Okay, so if I am having 100 subscriptions, so I will be having 100 queues because I want this message to be published on 100 queues. So in an example, I will show this only for 3 subscriptions. So I have created 3 subscriber queues. These are nothing but local queues. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a topic. Give any topic name. I am giving it as test topic. Okay, click next. I can give any topic string. Every topic will have a topic string. Just write test string. Okay, that's it. Click finish. Now create a subscription. Right click new subscription. Give any name. Test sub 1. Okay, I will create 3 subscriptions. Okay, I can select the topic which I have created. Here I can provide the destination name, means the queue name which will be subscribing this. Okay, Let me give sub1.q. Now create another subscription. It will also subscribe to the same topic. Q name sub2.q. Okay, create another subscription. It will also subscribe to the same topic. Destination name sub3.q. Okay, now everything is ready. Copy this topic string, go to MQ input and go to advanced. There is an option called topic. Put it here, save it, deploy it. Okay, put this EMP message. This is okay. Put this EMP message on the input key of this message. Okay, so that it can be published. I'm using this publication node. You can find this publication node in routing palette. Okay, you have to just drag and drop it. You don't have to change anything here. Okay, just for an example I'm using it just needs a topic name on which it will publish the message which it is receiving. Okay, now PubSub is deployed. So let me open RFH util. Let me select this queue. Let me put this employee message here. Desktop EMP. Okay, let me write it. See, now let's browse this sub1. This message came to sub1, right? Browse sub2. This message came to sub2. Browse sub3. This message came to sub3. Okay, without making an effort of writing a SQL code or putting some MQ output nodes, right? I am able to put this message to three different queues. Now these three different queues can be used by different applications, right, to get this message and implement some requirement. Okay, so this is the way. If I want to put this message on 200 queues, then I will create 200 subscriptions, right? And in one go, this message will go to all the 200 subscriptions. Okay, now you may be wondering it will be a tedious task to uh, create 200 subscriptions. No, it's not, because we generally while working we generally don't create this manually. We can create using some script, right? We have uh, some command, okay, some MQ command wherein we can create any number of topics and subscriptions, right? We just have to run that script and we can do it. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to explain you the concept of PubSub, right, in a very short way possible, and I hope you understand it. Okay, always uh, remember this. Thanks for watching this video, guys.